I am Vikas Dubey. I have completed my BTech in Trainee branch, IS College of Technology, Bhopal in the year of 2023, and I joined J Spiders Gurugram on 11th August 2023 for software testing course. After that, within 3 months, I have placed in WFX as a testing trainee, and my current salary package is 3.5 LPA. And in Q Spider program, its trainer are very well, and each and every methods are explained very deeply and clearly. In Q Spider daily presentation and mock interviews, and was very helpful for cracked my interview. And my manual testing trainer, Mr. Chandrakanta sir, his teaching style is very good, and especially thanks for Chandrakanta sir, Nitin sir, and Devashish sir, and thanks to all Q Spider Gurugram faculties. Thank you so much.